They're having a pre-Labor Day celebration in Eustis, Florida, and I took this opportunity to video the one of the ladder trucks here in the city fire department. It is dusk right now, so the video is not very bright, but at least gives you an idea of the state of the equipment. Very well maintained, I would say. Beautiful truck. I know these trucks are really expensive. And they have a very elaborate place that builds fire trucks in Ocala, Florida, which is about an hour away. Lots of fire departments have specific specifications that they want their trucks to be able to perform, so they have them tailor-made, and that of course adds to the cost of the truck. Those tires are mammoth. And the fire department, as you can see, established in 1883, so it's been around a while. I like to have seen the horse-drawn vehicles when that started.